I wish I had taken a before photo. I started this after a different biotin and this is so much better for my nails, more growth and less flaking and breaking. I am taking this daily and after 1 month I can see the difference. My nails, hair and skin look so much healthier and stronger now. I recommend it 100%. The soft gel pills are easy to swallow. I am planning to take this daily for 3 months, then make a 1-month pause and drink again daily. Great. Didn't come clumped or melted like some of the reviews said. Came in perfect condition. I can't wait to start seeing results. I bought these to help my nails grow after biting them to a nub for years and my thinning hair after having bariatric surgery. I'll be updating in a month. I bought these to help with hair growth. They work great. Came packaged well and undamaged. The pills are medium in size and are gel capsules so easy to swallow. I take daily and noticed a difference in just a couple of weeks. My finger and toenails grow quickly and my hair has grown out a lot and has become more healthy. Would highly recommend. Good product for a price. No smell or flavor. Capsule little hard to swallow for me. I live in the south. When these arrived the soft gels were melded together. Luckily, they refunded my money. I reordered them and they arrived in great condition. I had bariatric surgery and lost a lot of hair. Biotin in this strength has made all the difference. My hair is almost as thick as it once was. I highly recommend this product and this company. Packaged very nicely. I can't wait to see how these work on my hair. I've heard very good things, even my cat loves them. I will post an update with my results. 2 months and my bald head is no longer bald. I am very pleased at how fast my hair has been growing. Laughing face. Money back guarantee. Love it. Sealed properly and fast shipping. My hair growth in 1 month is unbelievable. Love that they are not horse pills that are hard to swallow and leave a funny taste in your mouth. Click link in description for more reviews. Please tell me the product you want and I will check it and do the review for you for free. Please subscribe.